Hello students, good morning and welcome to the English class. As we all know that we are studying chapter number 3, The Selfish Giant by Oscar Wilde of our book It So Happened. And in our previous video we studied the first paragraph. And now in this video we are going to attend the lecture on the second paragraph. And in this video we shall study till 4 paragraph of part number 2. So let's have a look on the first paragraph. What is saying to us? He saw a most wonderful sight. Through the little hole in the wall, the children had crept in, and they were sitting in the branches of the trees. In every tree that he could see, there was a little child. And the trees were so glad to have the children back again that they had covered themselves with blossoms and were waving their arms gently above the children's heads. So students, ये condition is है when कि जब बच्चे वापस बाग में लौट आए, you can say कि there was a charming sight in the garden. Trees were happy, children were happy, and the sight of the garden was also happy. It is the, you can say, sight that is written by or displayed by the writer Oscar Wilde. The birds were flying about and twittering with delight, and the flowers were looking up through the green grass and laughing. That means हम कह सकते हैं कि हर जगह कंडीशन खुशी वाला है. Everywhere there is a pleasure. You can say it's a heavenly condition. It was a lovely scene. Only in one corner it was still winter. This is the turning point of the story. ये एक turning point है कि एक corner में भी ठंडक है. Why? Let us find out. It was the farthest corner of the garden, and in it was standing a little boy. He was so small that he could not reach up to the branches of the tree, and he was wandering all round it. That means crying bitterly. That means कि वो लड़का छोटा सा उस बागीचे के दूर कोने में पेड़ पर चढ़ने का प्रयास कर रहा था. But he was unable to climb up the tree because he was very small. The poor tree was still covered with frost and snow. Because the child was unable to climb up the tree, so the condition of tree was miserable. That means that the frost has covered the whole tree. And the north wind was blowing and roaring above it. Condition of the wind also is supporting to that trees. That means supporting to that frost also. Climb up, little boy, said the tree, and it bent its branches down as low as it could do. But the boy was too tiny. That means कि वो जितना भी पेड़ अपने branches को he was trying to bow it down, but the boy was so small that he couldn't climb up the tree. Let's see the next paragraph. What is saying to us? And the giant's heart melted as he looked out. How selfish I have been, he said. Now I know why the spring would not come here. स्टूडेंट्स हियर वी कैन से अब जायंट ने सोचा कि अब मुझे पता चला कि स्प्रिंग अभी तक यहाँ क्यों नहीं आया. बिकॉज चिल्ड्रन वर अनेबल टू स्क्वीज इन द पार्क, सो स्प्रिंग वॉज अनेबल टू कम इन द पार्क. दैट मीन जैसे ही बच्चे आना शुरू हुए, स्प्रिंग ने भी अपनी शुरुआत कर दी थी. अब जायंट को रियलाइज होता है कि बिकॉज ऑफ द अब्सेंस द स्प्रिंग वॉज नॉट कमिंग टू माई गार्डन. Because it was a clear evidence. It was a clear evidence. He was a clear eyewitness of the sight. मतलब कि वो चश्मदीद गवाह था उस साइट का कि एक साइड पर जहाँ बच्चे खेल रहे हैं there is a spring, but one side the child was unable to climb up the branches. There was a still winter. I will put that poor little boy on the top of the tree, and then I will knock down the wall, and my gardens shall be the children's playground forever and ever. He was really very sorry for what he had done. वाकई उसे अब रियलाइज हो रहा था कि जो कुछ उसने किया बहुत ही बुरा किया था. Now see the fourth paragraph, students. What he is saying to us? ये क्या कह रहा है चौथा पैराग्राफ हमसे? So he crept downstairs and opened the front door quite softly and went out into the garden. But when the children saw him, they were so frightened that they all ran away. मतलब बच्चों ने जैसे ही जायंट को देखा वे डर गए, भागना शुरू कर दिए. एंड द गार्डन बिकम विंटर अगेन. और बागीचा क्या हो गया? फिर से जाड़े में तब्दील हो गया. Only the little boy did not run. Only the little boy did not run. for his eyes were so full of tears that he did not see the giant coming. क्योंकि उसकी आंखें थोड़ी सी डबडबाई हुई थी, इस नाते वो जायंट को देख नहीं पा रहा था. And the giant stole up behind him and took him gently in his hands and put him up into the tree. In the picture you can see students किस तरह से giant बड़ी कोमल बड़ी gently he has taken the boy very gently in his hand. And the tree broke at once into blossom. जैसे ही as soon as the child sat on the tree, or we can say in the tree, the tree's branches and leaves turned into the blossoms, and the birds came and sang on it. And the little boy stretched out his two arms and flung them round the giant's neck and kissed him. So that means we can say that the child also showed his love and affection towards the giant. And the other children, when they saw the giant was not wicked any longer, came running back, and with them came the spring. You can say students कि जैसे ही when the children realized that the giant has turned up a gentle person, they came back, or they returned to the garden and they started playing, and the spring followed them also. It is your garden now, little children, said the giant. And he took a great axe and knocked down the wall. And when the people were going to market at 12 o'clock, they found the giant playing with the children in the most beautiful garden they had ever seen. All day long they played, and in the evening they came to the giant and bid him goodbye. But where is your little companion? He said. The boy I put into the tree. The giant loved him the best because he had kissed him. We don't know. Children ने क्या आंसर दिया कि हम नहीं जानते हैं. आंसर children, he has gone away. वो जा चुका है. You must tell him to be sure and come tomorrow, said the giant. But the children said that they did not know where he lived. That means वो छोटा बच्चा कहाँ से आया था ये सारे बच्चे नहीं जानते थे. And had never seen him before. और उस छोटे बच्चे को बाकी बच्चों ने पहले कभी नहीं देखा था. And the giant felt very sad. Giant felt very sad. Every afternoon when school was over, the children came and played with the giant, but the little boy whom the giant loved was never seen again. That means कि छोटा बच्चा जिसे giant बहुत प्यार करता था वो दिखा नहीं. The giant was very kind to all the children, yet he longed for his little friend and often spoke of him. अक्सर वो उसकी बातें करता था छोटे बच्चे. How I would like to see him, he used to say. वो कहा करता था कि मैं किस प्रकार से उसे पसंद करता हूँ. So students, in this video we shall study till this paragraph. In the next video we are going to finish this chapter. So for that one, wait for that interesting point also. See you in next video. Bye.